cases are definitely a solid market on Amazon. This is the NZXT H510 compact ATX mid-tower PC gaming case. This is the side view. That's the other side. The front, pretty bare bones in the front. We're not going to be seeing any fans there. I think I would probably want more ventilation for the top. If our liquid cooler is venting the fans to the top, it probably would. It looks like we'd be blocking one of them, I think. Unless that area can be opened up, I don't think so. The back. Tempered glass sides, you will be able to see the internals. Looks like it does come with its own fan. Here's giving you an idea like what the parts would actually look like. Oh, so it has the liquid cooler pushing front, but where's the ventilation? I'm not sure I like the airflow of this one.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.